Hello YouTube, it's Joe Bob 1/2. Want to comment on 2 pieces of news today. It was going to be 3, but I don't remember. Number 2. So it's going to be 2 pieces of news today. First, serious. Some sick, twisted bitch stuck her kid in the microwave. Yeah. Fucked up shit. Yeah, some lady in Dayton, Ohio, was arrested today for suspicion of murdering her newborn daughter by microwaving her in an oven. Yeah. Apparently last year she brought her kid into the hospital for hyperthermia, you know, her dead baby for hyperthermia, but since it had no outside external burns, they arrested her at the time, had no external burns, so they had to let her go. And apparently now there's enough research into the effects of microwaves on the human body that she has been taken into custody. Hooray! It's about fucking time. This fucking twisted bitch. It is messed up. There only been 2 other cases reported. One was in or that I know of. One I remember was in 2000. Lady got sentenced 5 years maybe for putting her month-old kid in the microwave. Another one was maybe a year before that. It was some epileptic chick who apparently had suffered from blackouts and stuff like that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm glad this chick ain't Jewish because yeah, if she was Jewish, well, if she ain't Jewish, that means that she's gonna burn in hell forever. Hooray! Unless I don't know, she's just like, I don't know, emotionally disturbed or something. But still, hooray, she gets to burn in hell forever! That's just fucking sick. Anyway. Okay. Thing number 3. Because I don't remember number 2. Snoop Dogg got arrested again! He got arrested for... Fuck, I don't even have to tell you guys what he got arrested. Well, no, I do have to tell you one thing. The second thing he got, he was coming out of the Jay Leno show, and he had firearms in his car. And of course, you guessed it, the other charge is possession. Fuck, man. Hide your shit better, or have a friend hold it for you. As simple as that. Anyway, fuck, I wish I remember what the other thing I wanted to talk about was. Let me look at the news. Maybe that by chance there's something that I want to talk about? Fuck, I don't know. I just don't remember what the fuck. I just don't remember what the fuck I wanted to talk about. Oh well, that's about it. This is Joe Bob 1/2, always preaching 2 things. Love and peace. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to add on. Not the news, I didn't remember the news, but anyway. Yeah, I've once again fallen behind on my videos, so chances are somebody has already reported that news I just added, except for maybe not the Snoop Dogg thing, but most of the people I subscribe to wouldn't care about the Snoop Dogg thing. Anyway, yeah, and to those of you who subscribe to me, who I still need to get your videos, I'll get to them soon. I'm sorry. That damn work again is getting in the way. Anyway, see you guys.